All right, so this is called fishing for a ride. So I am parked right there, and then I'm about a half a block from a hotel called the Citizen, and then I'm about 3 blocks from the Sheraton, and I can usually get a ride. So I've got both apps open. See, there I am here. See, well, you can see the Citizen Hotel. Oh, and there it is. Well, not exactly the ride I thought I was going to get, but I got a ride. So this spot's hot right here, and that was a good looking ride. So now I'm off. Giddy up. All right. So now what I'm going to do is, since that ride had a good earnings per hour, I'm going to go ahead and go offline with this one. And okay, so that's reminding me that I've got a reserved ride. So I've got to be online at 6:30 with Uber. So I got an hour before that happens. All right. And here we go. Oh, and one thing I learned is that you still can't get turn by turn, but if you slide to the left, you can see the next turn, like that. It won't list it all out on one screen, but that's something you can do with Lyft. Okay, that's it for now.